What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great weekend. And in this video, what we'll do is we'll cover this rally that Aptos has been having over the last 24 hours, basically, because we're on the 1 hour time frame. So this is all. This was yesterday morning. Yesterday, I also did an update on that in which I said that we were right here, I believe. Somewhere here, and I said that if we would break above 8.5, my price target was 9.2, 9.3, which we hit exactly. I mean, the main reason for that is that you cannot see that, but that 1.618 was there, that fib, and I thought $9 was a little bit too low, and at 1.618, I mean, believe it or not, but in bull runs, that's usually a very strong price target. So we found resistance there, dropped down a little bit, and then I did this analysis in the Discord. We've been talking quite a bit of Aptos in Discord as well. So join that if you'd be interested in that as well. Link is just down in the description. So I just wanted to spend this video just purely looking at the technicals. So we'll get into the price straight away, I think. First, what I always do for Aptos is I cover some of the statistics around it, right? Because it's a very hyped up project, but of course we always need to check out if it's actually doing the thing it's supposed to do. Volume is amazing right now at 1.5 billion, so there's definitely a lot possible. It's sneaking into that top 40. Market cap of 1.26 billion already, which is absolutely crazy, but never mind. And it actually, I mean, it has potential to become a great project, right? It has potential to become a 20 billion, 50 billion market cap token. So you should know that there's quite a bit of inflation, but again, it definitely has potential still. Transactions at 10 per second. I mean, that's just probably not a lot of people are transacting Aptos then, but that's not a lot, all right? That's just not crazy at this point of time. So I mean, they're saying they could get 160,000. Obviously, you need a lot of people transacting for that. So it's just waiting, I think, in the future if we can actually get more of an ecosystem around it. But for now, let's take a look at price. So what I said yesterday is that you can see that we already found like a little bit of resistance around 8.8, 8.7. So that's why I thought we would drop down there. And then we could actually, this was my most positive scenario, right? Because we could actually break above that. You see another 1.618 fib there, but that's a weaker fib, I'd say. It's also, it's relevant, but it's weaker. So I thought we'd find some resistance there, take a break retest and get up to $10 as a resistance level. See, I think it's quite obvious why I chose $10 as a resistance level. $10 is a huge psychological resistance level. And now, I mean, to be honest, if we purely look at the technicals, the only logical resistance level up next is this level right here between 11.1 and 10.8. But we first need to reach that. And what I always say in my analysis on rallies, and what tends to work a lot of the times, is that if you have a rally like this, you need to break above the resistance level and you need to stay above that resistance level. If you stay above that for at least one day or 2 days, then you'll get up to the next one. So for now, our main resistance level is $10. So in my opinion, we could drop down to 9.5. We could drop down to 9.28. As long as we're above those levels, we're still fine and we can still break above $10. And breaking above $10 right now is the most important thing, all right? Because if you break above $10, you'll get up to that 10.8, $11.1 level, in my opinion. So yeah, that might be a little bit of a bold prediction, but I do genuinely think that's realistic and that's possible. And then from there, we'll see again. We'll probably find some strong resistance there. But that doesn't necessarily mean we have to break above $10 now. Volume is, and volatility in the weekend is notoriously low and relatively low. So we could, as I said, if we drop down, doesn't matter. It only matters if we really close below 9.1. If we close below 9.1, there's a problem, because then this whole bull run is probably over, at least for some days. So yeah, it's just waiting for the $10 close. I think breaking above it on the 1 hour time frame is already enough. So if we close at around 10.25, I expect us to get up to 10.8 and $11. And that's, I think, my full analysis for now. As I said, if we break down below 9.1, we have a problem, but I mean, it's possible. It's possible that we break down below that level. But yeah, you know what's going to happen now. So hopefully you're prepared for all these scenarios. But for now, that's my take on Aptos this morning. So I want to wish you all a great rest of the weekend. As I said, join the Discord if you'd be interested in that. But for now, take care and bye.